But more than anything, he checks the motive. At least you know this young person is on fire for me, he loves me. But he's weak in this area. And he keeps on falling in the same area. But he loves me and he doesn't want to do it. Then the message comes and takes over. And shower you. And cover your weaknesses. We've been told the story of a brother in the church who was like in a leadership position in the youth service. In this time, there was a youth service came on this particular day, and the brother was not in the church. Only to find out the brother was somehow in a certain corner being tempted and put in a corner by a certain lady in a room. A lady who had blocked him in the room. Entertaining him, they were preparing for certain services and ministries. And so the brother was saved, he was on fire for the Lord, but he was having a weakness. And he was tempted at the time. But I like the ending of the story. The Bible says, everything was done. They took off their clothes, entered the bed, and the sister made a mistake. In fact, I don't even think he's saved. Well, not that some saved can't do those weaknesses. In that story, I don't think that lady was saved because he was just a secular lady who happened to be a temptation to him. He made one mistake of falling over. God telling his man. Said,